Hello again, Year 5. Welcome to week 4 of your online learning. And this is the week beginning the 1st of February. Hope you're all right. Let's take a look at the work we'd like you to do this week, shall we? Okay, here are the activities for this week. So in your maths, we'd like you to do pages 26 to 33 in the booklet. If you do 2 pages a day, that would be great. That will leave you Friday to do something different, maybe have a go at some TT Rockstars, or maybe you could have a go at the Enrich problem or something on Oak Academy. It's up to you. And then for your English work, we'd like you again to do a couple of pages every day. If you do workouts 4 to 8. Keep going with your reading, about 30 minutes a day, and try and have a go at a quiz on Accelerated Reader as well. There's of course your spellings for this week, which is under week 4. Have a go on those on EdShed, and then there'll be the Hive code and test on Friday. We'll be doing that at 10:15, just after our Zoom session, and I'll give you the codes in that session. Okay, let's have a look at the maths that we're going to be doing this week then. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is rounding and estimating, rounding to estimate and approximate. So we find a number, a whole number close to the original number. That's the idea. So 4,000 add 4,000 to give us a close answer to the actual answer. And this helps us to see if our answer's right. It's a good way of checking our work. This is the work that we went through on the Zoom on Monday. So please feel free to stop these slides to have a look at them again. If you missed Monday, this is what we looked at together. Have a look at which child you think has the best approximation. You can see that Dimitri is the most accurate. They all got fairly close to the answer. We're also looking at inverse operations. So for addition, the inverse calculations would be subtraction calculations. We need to rearrange the number sentence so that we can create 2 more subtraction calculations. Hope you got those if you work them out. And we'll have a look at these calculations that Tony has written to go with the pink ones at the top of each column. He's made a mistake in each column. Can you work out what mistake he's made? That one, yeah. So you can see there he's clearly made a mistake here because we've got a smaller number subtracting a larger number, which can't possibly equal a positive number. It would give us a minus number, wouldn't it? Let's see what he should have done. Similar for this second one. And have a look at this addition here. This clearly is wrong. He's got 2 5-digit numbers. Can't possibly add them together to make a 4-digit number. So that clearly must be wrong. Here's our Enrich challenge for you for this week. So we'd like you to put digits in each box, each of the boxes. And then reading along from left to right and from top to bottom, adding those numbers up. Can you find some combinations that would give you a total of 100? There might be one way of doing it, there might be more. Can you find lots of different ways to solve this problem? How many ways can you find? Can you find all the possible ways of making 100? In English this week, we're having a look at prefixes and noun phrases. So the noun is drums, the phrase would be the loud drums. Doesn't need a full stop, it's just a phrase, it's not a full sentence. And the preposition phrase here would be behind the loud drums, and it's made up of the preposition. The noun phrase, put them together, creates your preposition phrase. And then we've got some clauses here made up of the noun phrase and the preposition phrase, but they don't need a full stop. They aren't full sentences. These are the spelling rules we're going to be looking at. Can you think of some tricky ones that don't follow the rules? Here are some examples. Did you find some others? And then some roots and word families. This is what they are. We're going to have a look at these on Monday in our Zoom session. So that's the work for this week. Hope you managed to complete it. Remember to try your best, and remember to pause any of these slides and rewind and have a look again if you need a bit more help. It's lovely to see you all on here, but we're looking forward to, and on Zoom, but we're looking forward to seeing you even more when we can go back to school and be all together again. Take care. Bye for now.